Welcome to this explainer. Listen, if you're making content on the world's biggest video platform, or even if you're just planning to start, you are in the exact right place. Today, we are enthusiastically unpacking some massive, absolutely game-changing shifts to YouTube's monetization rules. The YouTube Partner Program is evolving, and whether you're a seasoned veteran with millions of subscribers or a brand new channel just trying to find your footing, these changes are literally going to redefine how you operate on the platform. So, grab your notebook, get focused, and let's decode exactly what these 2027 updates mean for you.
Okay, let's dive into this, because frankly, this is the million-dollar question, right? Will the 2027 updates impact your earnings? Now, I know, policy changes always trigger a bit of anxiety, but I want to start off by sharing some incredibly good news straight from the source. YouTube expects to pay out even more money to creators in 2027 than they did in 2026. Their total investment in creators remains absolutely unchanged, and honestly, the pie is actually growing. The rules of engagement are just shifting a bit, and that's exactly why we're breaking it all down for you today. So I'm just going to hit you with the absolute bottom line right up front. January 31st, 2027. Burn this date into your memory. This is the mandatory, hard deadline for current creators in the YouTube Partner Program to review and accept the new terms. Look, if you want to keep earning money on the platform, you literally must accept the updated modules by this specific date. We're going to get into exactly how to do that at the end of this explainer, but I wanted to make sure you have that timeline firmly planted in your head right from the start.
All right, here is the quick roadmap for our explainer today, breaking down the survival guide based on exactly where you are in your creator journey. Number 1, the big deadline. Number 2, new entry thresholds explained. Number 3, changes to Shorts monetization. Number 4, new revenue streams unlocked. And finally, number 5, steps to accept the new terms.
Okay, kicking things off with Section 1, the big deadline, and securing your spot.
Now, look, I get it. Policy changes usually trigger a little bit of panic, right? But seriously, zero things are actually changing with how your money works here. For example, if you're a creator who enabled fan funding features, things like channel memberships or super chat before 2023, you might actually still be sitting on an older version of YouTube's terms. So to keep all their legal terms consistent across the entire platform, YouTube is just moving everyone to the current commerce product module. Now, take a deep breath, because there are zero changes to how these products actually work or to your revenue share rates. You just have to review and accept the new terms by the deadline so the legal paperwork matches up. That's literally the whole shebang.
Moving right along to Section 2, new entry thresholds explained.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how clearly it contrasts the new, higher thresholds for ads against the completely unchanged, lower thresholds for fan funding. The gates to unlock that full ad and premium revenue? Yeah, they're getting a bit higher starting in February 2027. You're going to need 1,000 subscribers plus either 8,000 qualified watch hours in the last 12 months or 20 million qualified Shorts views in the last 90 days. But the entry requirements for fan funding and YouTube shopping remain completely unchanged. You can still start your earning journey much earlier, at just 500 subscribers plus 3,000 watch hours or 3 million Shorts views. It's a very structured, two-tiered approach to getting paid.
And honestly, I really want to highlight this direct quote straight from the source to completely alleviate any anxiety you might have if you're an established creator worried about getting kicked out. If you're already in YPP, your status is not impacted by this update. If you're already past the gates, you aren't getting booted just because they raised the entry requirements for the people behind you. Your status is totally secure as long as you hit that accept button by the January deadline.
All right, let's look at Section 3, changes to Shorts monetization. And this brilliantly illustrates the nuance here. To get a slice of that ad and premium revenue, specifically from Shorts, you're going to have to maintain a baseline of 10 million Shorts views over a rolling 90-day window. But crucially, your overall YouTube Partner Program status and your long-form video ad revenue are totally safe. They are not impacted by this at all. If you're a long-form creator who just occasionally posts a short, you absolutely won't lose your long-form ad revenue just because your Shorts didn't hit 10 million views. Which brings us to Section 4, new revenue streams unlocked.
Get ready for this, because YouTube is rolling out some seriously incredible targeted incentive programs that go way beyond just basic view counts. They're introducing bonuses for utilizing YouTube Shopping, special incentives for brand deals, and even earnings boosts for cultural trend activations. Plus, they're updating the terms to support a massive win for Shorts creators. If a brand targets a specific ad to 5 or fewer channels, you'll earn direct revenue from those placements totally separate from the main Shorts pool. These are absolutely designed to reward your growth and your community's engagement rates, which is fantastic news, especially if you're a creator with a highly dedicated niche audience just starting out.
Another total game changer for your revenue streams is the global expansion of Premium Lite. This is a subscription offering ad-free, offline, and background viewing outside of music and shorts, and it's rolling out to all countries where standard premium is available. For you as a creator, this creates a highly leaned-in, dedicated audience that is actively contributing directly to your subscription earnings, rather than just passively watching ads.
And just to really drive home exactly why this Premium Lite expansion matters so much to your wallet, check out this powerful statistic straight from the source. When a user signs up for Premium, on average, partners earn more than when the user was watching ads. I mean, that is huge. More viewers migrating to Premium Lite means potentially higher, way more stable earnings per viewer for your channel. It's just a total win-win for both the user experience and creator sustainability.
All right, let's wrap this up with Section 5, Steps to Accept New Terms. Okay, here is exactly what you need to do so you don't miss that crucial January 2027 deadline. Step 1, head over to your YouTube Studio dashboard, desktop, or mobile app, doesn't matter. Step 2, you're going to see a notification at the top, simply choose Review Updated Terms. Step 3, select Continue, read through each of the modules, check the box to agree, and hit Accept and Continue. Step 4, once you've gone through all the available modules, just hit Finish. So the crucial point is this: while you theoretically only need to accept the base terms to stay in the program, you absolutely should review and accept all the modules, like the Commerce Product module and the Shorts Monetization module, to make sure you reach your full earning potential.
So I'll leave you with this final provocative thought to cap off our explainer today. Have you reviewed your Studio dashboard yet? Seriously, don't let this sit on the back burner. The platform is growing, the total investment in creators is going way up, and entirely new revenue streams are literally waiting for you. Take the knowledge you've gained today, take immediate action off screen, and go secure your 2027 YouTube revenue right now. Thanks so much for learning with us, and we'll see you next time.